fucking... This thing is actually... What'd you think? This shit.
Don't want to stay. No.
Man, what's going on today?
No, I was just driving.
You were what?
Driving.
Okay. You think you could do me? I'm gonna come talk to you in a couple of minutes just to get some more information. You think you could sit at the back of the? Thank you. You think you could sit at the back of the? All right, that's enough. You think you could sit at the back of the rescue for me, please? Or stand right here for 5 minutes. That's fine. I'm gonna come back and talk to you. Okay. Okay. Can you guys just take her in there for a minute?
She keeps trying to run out on us. We'll put her wherever you want.
What's your name? Can you sit over there, please, for a minute? ¿Puedes sentar ahí, por favor?
Vamos a sentarte en el rescue, ¿ok? Vamos.
On February 9th, 2022, this woman, Pauline, caused a car accident while driving too closely behind another vehicle. When the police arrived at the scene, it seemed like she might have been under the influence of alcohol.
It make me feel better.
Am I gonna make you feel better?
Mm-hmm.
Why, you feel bad?
Of course.
Oh, okay. That's fine. You can stop touching me. So, the CSA over there is done with his accident investigation. I'm with the sheriff's office, deputy. I'm now conducting a DUI investigation. Okay? Well, we're noticing some things on you, so I'm going to conduct an investigation. All right? Have you had anything to drink today? Just... No? Have you?
No.
No? Okay. Would you be willing to conduct some exercises for me?
Absolutely.
You would?
Oh.
Okay.
Why not?
All right.
Pauline claims she hadn't had a drink today and agreed to perform exercises to demonstrate her sobriety. Yet, observing her eyes and hearing her slurred speech, it seemed she might have indulged in a few drinks.
I'm going to conduct a series of exercises, okay?
Absolutely, yes.
Let's proceed with these exercises and see how they unfold.
Okay. So basically what you're going to do is, you're going to follow my finger with both your hands and feet together, okay?
My arm. Eyes.
Hands and feet at your side, like this, like this. You see what I'm doing? Like this.
Like this? Yes.
You're not doing that. It's just the starting position, can you? Humor me for a second? Okay. So follow my finger with your eyes. Let me step down a little bit. You want to back up a little bit, please? So that way we're not so close. All right. So just follow the top of my finger with your eyes, okay? Don't move your head, just your eyes. All right? You understand?
Absolutely.
The police officer continues to remind her to keep her arms and hands by her side, but despite acknowledging the instructions, it looks like she immediately forgets them and fails to comply.
All right, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to go up and down, okay? Keep on following it with your eyes. Alright, you can take a second to take a break, loosen up. Alright. You want to do the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's use... Does he have it blocked? You have that blocked? Okay. Let's use this line right here. Can you come over here real quick? Actually, stand right there. I'm going to demonstrate it first before I have you do it. Okay. Well, I have to show you what you're... I have to show you what you're doing first before... Okay. So, this next exercise is called the walk and turn. I have to go through it, okay? This next exercise is called the walk and turn, all right? It's going to look like this. You're going to put your left foot on the line, okay? Your right foot in front, no spaces or gaps, toes touching heel,
yes,
with your hands at your side, all right? You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps forward, do a series of small steps, and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. No, wait, I'm not done explaining it to you.
I know.
Can you watch me before you try to attempt it?
I'm just done with it.
I haven't finished showing you the exercise yet. Okay?
You are telling me why I have been reading.
Do you not want to do the exercises?
I just have been...
Are you refusing to do the exercises?
No.
Okay, then let me finish explaining it to you, and then you'll have a chance to show it. Okay?
I am very...
So you're going to take 9 here to...
Pauline grows increasingly impatient. She is showing signs of not listening to the instructions and refusing to allow the police officer to demonstrate the exercise.
Do you understand?
No.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. I am now going to demonstrate it. Hands at your side, left foot on the line, right foot in front.
Yes.
1, 2...
The best.
No, I haven't finished demonstrating the exercise. Okay?
I want to be done with it. I want to go
I
home.
haven't finished demonstrating the exercise. As soon as I finish demonstrating it,
Pay attention to him.
you will be able to fit. You're not going to go home right now. As soon as I finish demonstrating it, I'm going to give you the chance to do it, and then we'll continue. Okay? All right. Can you stand over there while I finish? Can you stand over here, please? Can you please stand there? Okay? Please. I'm trying to demonstrate the exercise to you, and you're falling over. Okay? Can you please?
Pay attention to everything he says. If you do one thing incorrectly, the whole thing is wrong. So if he tells you to put your hands at your side, they have to be at your side. Otherwise, anything else you do,
It's fine,
all
Joe. It's
wrong.
fine. I just need you to understand what I'm trying to tell you to do. If you don't listen, you're not. I don't think I'm giving you a fair enough chance to understand what I'm doing. I want to give you a fair chance. All right? Just watch what I do, and then you'll have your chance to do it. Okay? Huh? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you'll go to 9. But you'll go to 9. All right. You'll pivot. Take a series of small steps. Put your foot back on the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you'll go to 9. You understand?
Yeah.
Are you ready? All right. You may begin when you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. You're finished? All right. Last exercise. All right. It's called the one leg stand. All right. Something like that. Not quite. So.
I'm not driving. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. But again, you have to pay attention to what I'm trying to explain to you, so that way you have a good chance at doing the exercise correctly. All right. If I don't explain it to you and you don't know what you're going to do, you're going to completely do it wrong, and I want to make sure you have a chance of doing it right. Okay? I'm trying to give you the benefit of the doubt here.
The police officer appears to struggle to maintain a serious demeanor while explaining why she needs to wait for him to explain the exercises, because otherwise she might not do them right.
So this exercise is called the one leg stand. All right? Basically what you're going to do is you're going to put both your hands and feet together, no spaces or gaps. All right? Whichever foot you're choosing. All right. Are you refusing to do the exercise?
No.
Okay? Then do me a favor. Let me finish what I am doing, and then you'll be able to talk. Let me finish what I'm doing. All right? Because if you don't let me finish what I'm... Listen to me. If you don't let me finish what I'm telling you to do, and you don't do the exercises, and you don't dispel my worries, all right, I'm just going to take you straight to jail. I won't even give you a chance to do it. Okay? You're done with the exercises. You don't want to do them anymore. All right. Then let me show you. Stay quiet for 2 minutes, so that way you have a chance to do it. All right? And then you can do it. All right? Stop the exercise. Is that what you're saying? You want me to stop? You don't want to do it? Because if you don't want to do it, that's fine. I'll just take you straight to jail.
Yeah. Good with that.
So you want to finish the exercise? You want to give yourself an opportunity to dispel my disbeliefs?
So,
Okay. So whichever footy you're choosing,
Watch him.
all right?
Don't watch me.
Ma'am,
Watch him.
ma'am, look at me. Ma'am, look at me. Whichever footy you're choosing, all right, you're going to lift it up 6 inches off the ground, like this, about the size of a Coke can, pretty much. Looking at your foot, all right, with both of your hands at your sides, all right, you're going to count like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, until I tell you to stop. Okay? Do you understand, or would you like me to explain it again?
No.
Okay. Do you have like a stopwatch? I'm not done yet. Hold on, we're not starting yet. We're not starting yet.
Why?
Go over there. You,
Ma'am,
come over
please
here.
don't touch me.
Okay, come over here.
Why is that?
I don't know.
You got your phone?
I'm sure it's on. Oh.
Disgusting.
Yeah. Just go to the stopwatch and then.
1, 2,
I haven't asked
3.
you to begin yet.
He doesn't even know how to do it. You know that?
Listen. Stand there. Okay? Listen what?
Listen.
What?
You know.
I know what.
Talking about.
Okay.
Alright, that's fine. Alright, you may begin when you're ready. You may begin. You may begin.
Yes.
You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Don't touch me.
That's it.
There's one. Yeah.
Alright, last exercise. Look at him. Look at him. Put your hands at your side. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh no.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol.
That's me. No. Why? Hit me.
Can you ask for a female for a pat down real quick?
I need. I'm gonna call my friends. No,
Unlock it, Fondez.
No.
Go. Go. Thank you. I am not. Do not get out of the car.
Stay in the car.
Okay? Do not get out of the car.
Stay in the car.
I promise that if you give us a hard time, all right, it's not going to be well.
I have a lawyer.
All right. Put her inside. Just roll her window down.
All right.
Get inside the car.
Do me a
Get
favor.
inside the car. Get in the car.
Okay.
Hold on. Fondez.
Don't kick me.
Kick me.
Okay. You just got another charge for battery on a law enforcement officer. Get in the car. Get in the car.
I'm trying to see you now.
Get in the car.
Hey.
Get in the car. You just kicked him. You just caught another charge. Close. Move your foot. Go talk to him over there, Joe.
Move your foot.
Move your foot. Move your foot.
Give me my
Move your foot. Move your foot.
Why?
Move your foot.
I'm
Move your foot. Move your foot. I'm. Move your foot. Move your foot. Move your foot.
You want me to grab it from the other side?
Pauline, move your foot over. Move your foot over, Pauline.
While Pauline resists arrest, her husband arrives at the scene and urges her to comply with the officers.
Put your foot back in. Pull her. Pull her.
Hey, you need to sit still. Stop hitting yourself. You gotta sit still, all right? Okay, I know he's your husband, but you gotta sit still, all right?
Babe!
Hey, you gotta sit still, okay?
You're gonna get a citation for following too closely for the accident, okay? You got into an accident. You don't remember the accident?
Yeah, but you have not.
Like I said, you're under arrest.
Oh.
You're under arrest for DUI
Mother is gonna
and bat on a Leo.
Well,
Okay? Alright.
take me.
Pauline, look, listen to what I'm telling you. Alright? This nice
You know
deputy
what?
here.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, see?
Let me get me. This thing is actually.
Walk towards the front of the vehicle. Listen, I'm gonna pat you down real quick,
It's fine,
okay?
Papa. It's fine.
I'm gonna pat you down real quick.
Touch me. Oh yeah. All the way. Oh, I'm not serious. No. This thing. Get this thing.
So what'd you think?
Honor. This shit. Just remove my life. I'm gonna lose my fucking.
The rest of the stuff we'll take off.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter.
Okay?
Just no. I Just
Have a seat. Put your feet all the way in. Put your feet up.
ay. Just move it. Please remove it.
On the other side, get the seat down. You on?
Eventually, Pauline faced charges for driving under the influence, battery on a law enforcement officer, and resisting arrest without violence. After spending a night in custody, her $1,000 bond was paid. She entered a plea of not guilty in court, and eventually, the case was resolved and closed.